going on, brother truckers and sister truckers? I'm gonna do a video now of my 2006 Chevy Cobalt that has the hazy headlights. So I bought this this kit. Yo, it's hot as heck out here. I bought this kit that's supposed to bring it from hazy to bright. So I'm gonna shoot this and do a product review on it, and let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, the product is called Wipe New by Rust-Oleum Headlight Restore. Now, see my headlights, they're mad hazy. Okay, let me show you the product one more again. Bam, there it is. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get in it. Damn, fleas in my face. See how this joint comes out. All right, so step one is to wet the headlight lens and use the green side to buff it, then wet it with the gray side. So I'm gonna go with the green side first.
Gotta keep it wet. Then you're gonna go over to the gray side. It's kind of blue, so blue is gray, whatever. Trying to make sure these are dry. And as you can see, it hasn't done much difference with the sand pad scraping. We're gonna see what this other process
Okay,
is.
so that's the left side that I did the green pad, wet the lens, scrape with the green side, re-wet the lens again, and come back with the gray side. I'm gonna repeat that same process on, well, it's the left side of the vehicle, but visually on the right side. Repeat that process, and then we're gonna go on to step 2, or basically step 3 of the process. That's actually doing the wipe. We're gonna see how this works. Stand by. Okay, so basically I wiped it on. This is throwing strokes like this. And that's about it. Wax on, wax off. And that's the process. Let it settle and see how it come out. All right, so the last and final step is using this to wipe the lenses. And I'm not too confident that this is gonna work, because I'm looking at it, it's mad hazy right now, so I'm actually gonna hope, look, I'm busting a hole in the glove already. Hope this thing works. We're gonna see. All right, y'all, that's my quick vid on this Rust-Oleum wipe new. It didn't make them super bright. I don't even drive this car at night anyway. It's I call it a station car. I leave it parked on the yard where I park my tractor and trailer. Instead of me driving my Ram all the time, I just got this little grocery getter to beat around town in. So, hope you liked the little video. Product's alright, but these old headlights, it ain't help them out none. I don't think. It didn't seem to do too much. But it is better than what it was before. But as you can see, it looks like it's catching some shit from the inside of the lens. So, I mean, it'll work. It'll do for now. Got on Ram Dot over there chilling. He ain't moved in a minute. So that's what it is, yo. Get at me.